How you can make monster Garou and gacha online. And let's get this over with. I figure out what the real hair was. Real hair 3777. Tail 55. I use it for this one up there. Alright. I think I passed it. Hold on. Definitely did. Okay. Scarf 3638. Jacket 3363. That's a lot. Sleeves 627. Gloves 9. Pants 439. Oh crap. Okay. Shoes 440, but 45. No, 1400 446. That one. Face AC 1400 480 84. Face AC 1400 488. Eyes 25. And I think that's it. Nope. Cape 12. Yep, and you're definitely finished, so yeah. Here's the color for that. Oh wait, no, back hair. I forgot. Back hair 1200 and 490. Yeah, and it's just black and you're finished. Trying to not forget something. I got all of them right. I didn't forget nothing. Yeah, see y'all later on the next tutorial.